Hey, I'm James from Reasonyx. In this video, I'll show you how you can land more meetings with small businesses 10 times faster using Google Maps Scraper and AI agents inside the Reasonyx platform. Let's get started. Let's start by finding local businesses using the Scrape Google Maps template from the dashboard. I'll search for restaurants in New York City and set the max items to scrape to 10, then run it. Once scraping is complete, let's map the JSON values. We'll create columns for name, website, and phone number for each business. Click Import once done. Now we have 10 restaurants with their contact details imported into our table. You can also see all the details scraped inside raw output in the first column. So these fields can be used later on. Next, I want more information like their LinkedIn, total employees, and tech stack. To get these, let's use the Enrich organization action to find additional details from the website. Type the / character and select the website to pass dynamically for each row. Then run all 10 rows by clicking the play icon on the column header. As you can see, we have additional details like total employees, LinkedIn URL, social links, and more. But there's still some information missing for certain restaurants. This is a common problem when reaching small businesses since most data providers have data mainly for mid-market and enterprise organizations. A few ways could be by scraping or crawling their websites, Instagram pages, directories, and more to find contact details. All these are possible from this table. For now, we will scrape the website using the Scrape Single Web Page action. I'll select it to extract emails, phone numbers, address, title, and description. Let's also turn on the Auto Run option and set the raw output column as the trigger. This will automatically run whenever a new business is added to the table. Once done, click Save and run all 10 rows. As you can see, it extracted additional details like email addresses and phone numbers for some restaurants we didn't have initially. Now, let's suppose we are a salesperson for a restaurant management software that helps restaurants be more efficient. And we want to find negative reviews about poor management, bad service, and slow service for each restaurant. So we can pinpoint these issues and how we can help solve them in our outreach email. However, researching negative reviews for each restaurant will take hours and isn't efficient. That's where the custom web research AI agents shine. This web research agent will find negative reviews mentioning bad services for each restaurant. Let's add the web research agent, then prompt with something like, find negative reviews of customers complaining about bad service, mismanagement, or slow orders. Provide date, reviewer, and exact review. Then pass the website and the map's URL dynamically. As you can see, it found a few negative reviews for some restaurants. Now we'll use the AI email generator to create a short email mentioning the issues and how we can help. A prompt can be like, generate a short sales email for a restaurant with some negative reviews about the customer. Ask if they want to see a custom demo at the end. I'll also add the example so it knows the email structure. Then pass the results from the review finder. Click Save, then run the column. As you can see, it generated personalized emails for each business, mentioning the exact negative reviews we can help them solve. Manually researching would have taken us hours. Once all the automation columns are set up, we just need to add new leads, and it automatically enriches every lead. For this table, we can run the Google Maps Scraper to find restaurants from different suburbs and automatically personalize plus outreach for each. That was a quick demo on personalizing and automating outreach and getting more local business customers with the Reasonyx automation platform. You can get this workspace template below in the description. Start automating your growth with Reasonyx for today.